Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can deploy your application on cloud. Because if you are going to build any project or anything that you're going to showcase to your interviewer or anyone that you make this application, it can be any machine learning model, it can be any dashboard, analytical dashboard, anything it can be. So if you are not able to showcase your project to the interviewer or anyone in the world that this is your project, you build this, nothing makes sense. Okay, that's why in this video we're going to learn how you can deploy your application on cloud. You can see over here that I make a weather app application where you put your city name here. I just put my city name and we get the weather details. Okay, this is a small application, and if you're going to also learn that how you can build this application, I already make this video how to make this application. You can watch this video. I will attach the link in the description. Okay, so for that, let's you can see over here that it is running in localhost. Okay, localhost, because I run the code in the VS code. When I stop this, it will not work. I just push back. You can see over here that the application is not working. Means it is in localhost. It's only running on my local system. It's not on the internet, so I have to online it. Okay, so that's why you have to, what you have to do is that you have to push your code in GitHub. You have to go to GitHub. Okay, this is my GitHub account. If you don't have any GitHub account, please make an account, and before that you have to install one software, that is Git, not Git, Git. Git. You have to install this software. Okay, otherwise you can't push your code to the GitHub. So that's why I have to make a new repository. Okay, you can go over here and you can make a new repository. You have to click over here, or you can also click new here. I just click new over here. You have to give your repository name. I give any repository name. Okay, I just give name, anything you can give. Okay, I just give the name weather. App. Okay, application. This is my repository name. You can write down any description if you want, that what your project about, anything you can do. I just keep this name, repository name. You can give anything. Okay, and you can just keep it as it is, and you can keep it public, or you have to keep it public, otherwise it will not work. So you have to keep it public and click create repository. This is my repository. You can show over here. You have to connect this repository to my local system here. Okay, for that you have to run some command. First we run git init. Okay, git init, and then you have to add all the code, means this code file, the central repository. Okay, and then we add commit, we commit this, git commit. I just keep the name initial commit. You can give any name. Okay, it is totally up to you. It's not recommended that you have to give initial commit. You can give anything. I just keep enter. Okay, then you have to go to the here and you have to copy this. Okay, you have to copy this and paste this, enter. Then I have to run this command, git push. This command push your code to the GitHub. Here I just run this command. I just keep the name master. I think this is master branch. Okay, you can see over here this code, my code is coming over here. Let me show you. This is the code. Okay, this is the code, same code. Okay, then what you have to do is that you have to run this code. We make this application Streamlit, so we deploy it in the Streamlit server, because you'll get some free cloud. This is my code. Okay, this is my application. So what you have to do is that you have to click deploy and then go to deploy now. Okay, the Streamlit community cloud. Okay, you can get free version. Sign in it, so continue to sign in. I continue to GitHub. Okay, deploy it, and you can give any name. So I give the weather app. Just weather app. Weather app 1. I just put this name. This domain name is available. Weather app is not available. That's why it's showing error. Okay, and I click deploy. It will take some time. Wait for a minute. So you can see over here that first of all, when I see you first time, this is in the localhost. Okay, but it is in the localhost, but it is in the HTTP. Okay, if I copy this link and you can paste it in another browser, you can see it's working. I just check it now. Let's see, it's working totally. Okay, if I stop the server, I stop the localhost, also it is working. First time when you stop the application, it is not working. Okay, but it is now in local system, localhost not working, but it is on the cloud that is working. Okay, whether application Streamlit.app. So that is how you can show your application to the interviewer. It's very helpful for you, because you don't need to pay anything. You can easily do this free. If you like this particular video, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.